Good day, sir and madam. My name is Violeta Lim. I'm 44 years old. I'm from Philippines. I am a mother of two children, aged 20 and 21 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I have previous working experience in Saudi Arabia. My main duties is taking care of babies and children. My other duties is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cooking, and marketing. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I'm willing to learn how to speak Cantonese to better serve of my employer. I'm also willing to learn and respect the Chinese culture and tradition. I will follow the rules of my employers all the times. I'm kind, patient, loyal, and honest person. My main goal is taking care of your family and finish my 2 years contract with dedication and respect. Thank you very much and to considering my application.